Guess they heard I was back.
Yo, so today we're going on a boat cruise with a couple of the boys. We're just gonna have a good time, and there's gonna be a DJ coming, so it should be pretty fucking gangster. So yeah, you guys wanna stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfits and shit, and yeah, you can help me decide what I need to wear. So I'm gonna show you, and then you put that in the comments and I'll have a look at it, and then I'll see from there on. Let's go. Also, check out the boots, bro. These bitches fire, man, I can't lie.
Sometimes I feel away. Lost in the clouds, too far out, shit, what can I say? Sometimes I feel alone.
Yeah, I like this one. This is good. So I've got to go now because my brother just texted me and said that he's picking me up like now. So yeah, but I'll see you guys in a bit, man.
I roll in with the Rari's on my feet. Break my
Why you wanna come round here?
You reckon?
Yeah, I just said the best bits of my life.
Sober and I rode around.
It's currently the next morning, and apparently I'm playing tennis today. We're gonna see how I do. Yeah.
Sunlight comes creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we did. It made me think of you, it made me
It's my dog. Sit.